I'm gonna send this into National Geographic because this is my Happy Friday. Just hanging here at Brandy's, and they've got frogs all over the place, and this one's actually kind of huge compared to the other ones I found. Oh, here's another one. We haven't had any frogs around my old place. I don't know if you can see it, but then here's Jack. Jack and I are buddies now. And I forgot the cat's name. Whoops. Hey, Jack. Yeah. He's actually pretty mellow for a lab. And then the cat was kitty kitty. There she comes, prancing her stuff. She kind of looks like Mickey, and Brandy said she has the attitude of Mickey, so I think her and I are gonna get along. So there's my 1-minute video because that's about all we have the attention span for.